Are you seeing errors created by the WUDF Service Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I'll guide you through a professional system-level restoration. As we prepare to fix WUDF Service Library manually, consider the professional maintenance path for a more stable workstation. This is the WUDF Service Library, the Windows User Mode Driver Framework WUDF Service Module. It facilitates the localized execution of hardware drivers within an isolated user mode process, preventing a localized driver failure from triggering a kernel-level blue screen of death, BSOD. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Wudfsvc is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the WUDF service library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. The versions of WUDF Service Library DLL found on generic download sites are often compiled for legacy hardware, which can lead to excessive CPU cycles or kernel-level crashes on modern systems. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. Return to your project with a more stable environment by reviewing the maintenance-related resource linked below for WUDF Service Library references. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve WUDF Service Library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.